What a start for Chelsea there, 1-0 for Chelsea against Crystal Palace. Nicholas Jackson has scored the opening goal there in the end. Great assist from Cole Palmer there in the end. Absolutely stunning. So that's it. Stay tuned for all those status updates from Chelsea. They are getting a great start there in the end. Absolutely wonderful piece of goal from the Senegalese striker there in the end. So that's it. Wonderful day. Take care and bye-bye. Hope you like this video. So stay tuned for the status updates and all those football stats and live moments for today. So lots of games are coming up, so I'll give you lots of updates. So stay tuned and yes. So that's it. Have a wonderful day. Take care and lots of games will be uploading there at the end. So yes, keep tuned to my channel and all the status updates there and there. Have a wonderful day. Take care and bye bye. So yes. Keep sharing your comments and your analysis also. Have a wonderful day. Take care.